Hi guys, today I would like to conclude for you guys before midterm examination. First of all, I would like to conclude for the meanings and natures of law and rights. So, what is the law? Law defines all rules and principles which regulates our relation with other individuals and with the government to make our relations smooth and enjoyable. Turn on page 15 about the conclusion of meanings of law. Meanings of law include a set of rules and standards of behavior that can be enforced in society. The enforcement is formal, generally taking place in the court or leads to sanctions in the form of punishments or remedies. It is to say, the body of principles recognized and applied by the state in the administration of justice. Normally, a person who has the duty to interpret the law is the court or judiciary. So we have to obey the law. If we follow or obey the law, we can avoid misunderstandings and troubles. And what about rights? We need to know that we have more than one right. So we normally call rights in plural. Right or right defines a moral or legal entitlement to have or obtain something or to act in a certain way. We have many laws in our world. We can divide the law as a system of laws and the content of law. Only thinking bad things in mind cannot be punished by law because there is no action or behavior which violates against the law. What is morality? Morality, in conclusion, you have to turn on page 16, okay? Morality defines the human attempt to define what is right and wrong about our actions or thoughts, and what is good and bad about the being who we are. Morality comes from human's mind or thought. Good or bad thinking, if you think bad, you feel bad and upset. The wrong or bad thinking is blamed on mind, not punishment like law. If we think good, we feel good. If we think bad, we feel bad and unhappy. This is the way that morality punishes people, not punished by action, but punished by thought or mind of a people who use their mind in the bad way and happy when they use their mind in the good way. What is the similarity between law and morality? First, both morality and law is about political society accepted to be good or bad thing to follow. So all laws are part of morality of a political society because of acceptance of such laws made by that same society. Disobedience of any laws or morality will attract a certain level of punishment or detrimental consequences to affected individual, no matter how slight. Both laws and morality are programmed to aid and growth and development of conduct and relationships of people to society. Next, I would like to conclude about differences between law and morality. First is about enforcement and sanction. Laws are enforced by the state or state officers, whereas morality are followed by society. If one not obey, or if one disobeys the commands of law or violate the laws, he is liable and punished by the state under the law. On the other hand, if you violate or not obey the morality, there are no punishment on your thought about that. It's not become the punishment for you guys. Okay, you just have only the sanction of the society, or we call social sanction or social boycott, as the punishment under morality if you disobey the morality. Second, external or internal punishment. Law punish in external punishment or punish on action, but morality concern on our mind. So when we would like to punish a person who disobey morality, we will punish on their mind. 3. Not illegal but unaccepted by morality. There are many things which are not illegal according to the law but are unaccepted to morality. For example, telling lies, showing disgrace to others, feeling greedy, being ungrateful and not helping the poor. This does not mean you violate the law, but you maybe violate the morality. Not only this, sometimes the adoption of immoral policies by the state of the cause of common welfare is not illegal in the eyes of laws, but it's not moral in the eye of morality. For example, about abortion. Number 4, illegal but acceptable to morality. There are many things which are illegal in the eyes of the state but are acceptable to morality. For example, it is not a sin not to keep to the left or to drive the vehicle fast in the market. This is called traffic law. It's not violate morality at all, but it's violate the law. We also call traffic law as the technical law. Number 5, certainty and accuracy of rule and principle.